Today is Tuesday. We are doing lesson 14 in math. So we are on page 82. Lux, you should just get out the pages that I photocopied for you. I want to take a quick look at problem solving on this page because it's kind of a tricky one. 12 months after February is February, right? February, 12 months plus 12 months is February. February plus 24 months is February. On February 14th, Paloma's sister was 22 months old. In what month was she born? Is Paloma's sister at 22 months, is she yet 2 years old? Is she 24 months yet?
No.
How much short of that is she? 22 months
11.
is how much short of 24 months? How much less is 22 months than 24? 2 months less, right? So to do this problem, if you think of the months of the year as a number line, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, and so on, okay? February would be 24 months, but she's not quite there. I'm sorry, in February she's 22 months. So she's not quite 2 years old yet. How many more months until she's 4 months old or 2 years old? Tacey, if she's 22 months old right now, how many more months until she's 2 years old? She's 22 months. How many months until she's 2 years old?
I'm trying to add it up in my head. I got it.
She's 22 months old in February. How long until her next birthday? How many months are in 2 years?
24.
24 months in 2 years. Is she 2 years old yet?
No.
How many more months until she's 2 years old?
No.
She's 22 months old. How many months until she's 24 months old?
2 months.
2 months until she's 2 years old. So if you think of this as a number line,
Oh yeah, because that would be 23. Then she would be 23 months old. 24, and then she would be
23 months old,
24.
24 months old,
Then
and she's 2 years old then. Okay? So what month was she born?
February?
No. That's as much as I'm going to give you, okay? When you start looking at it and working through it, hopefully it will make sense to you, okay?
Yeah.
You got to use those brains, though. Use some logical reasoning, okay?
That's the word I was trying to think of for this. I stayed up late because I was reading and I was so into it.
All right. So, lesson 14 today. Go ahead, Raina. Lesson 14, we are subtracting 2-digit and 3-digit numbers, and we have some missing 2-digit add-ins. So, page 83. At the top of the page, it says Kim Ree had $37. They showed it to us in bills, 3 10s and 7 ones. 3 10s, 7 ones, $37. She spent $23 to buy a game. $23 is how many 10s?
2,
How many ones?
3.
And she spent money, so am I adding or am I subtracting, Tacey? She spent subtracting. Yep, got to be with me, please. How much money did she have then? She had this, she spent this. How much does she have left? I lined up all of my numbers. Subtract the ones first, Raina.
4.
Daisy, subtract the tens.
One.
And we have to make sure we put our dollar sign. Very good. She had $14 left. We have to line everything up. All right. Example 1 isn't a word problem, but it gives us subtract 85 minus 32. What's the first thing I should do with this problem? Make it vertical instead of horizontal, right?
It's hard to
I can do that one.
Okay.
It has it's horizontal.
So I'm going to just do this to make it. Okay? I don't want you to do it when it's horizontal. Or you can do it that way, but then I want you to check to make sure that you're right. Awesome that you're able to do that in your head or doing it horizontally, but I really do want to make sure that you do it vertically to check your answer. Okay? Same thing. We subtract, hang on a second. Yep, we subtract our ones. 5 minus 2, Lux. 3. Did y'all hear Lux? All the way from Tennessee?
Yeah.
She said 3. I heard her.
I heard
8 minus 3, everybody?
5.
5. Okay? Now, explain to me why that's a reasonable answer. What would I do to prove that that's a reasonable answer? Raina?
The numbers are lined up, so that means you got it.
My numbers are all lined up. Does that mean I did my math correctly?
No, you could just do it wrong.
Right. So we subtract down, and I check by adding up. So I check to see, is 3 plus 2, does that equal 5?
Yep.
5 plus 3 equals 8. My answer is
I
reasonable.
added those together. That's why I got the number 5.
Mm.
Like a fact
All right.
family.
Kind of like, yep. Page 84. Go ahead and turn the page. Example 2 at the top of the page. It says, subtract 123 from 365. 123 from 365. Is this right?
No.
No, because in this example, I'm taking 365 away from 123.
You can't do that.
You can't,
Unless it's negative.
unless you're going to have a negative, right? I'm taking away from 365, so that's what I'm starting with. And I'm taking away 123. And I subtract my ones,
2.
Raina. Tacey?
4.
Lux? 1. Oh my gosh, did you hear her?
Yeah.
She was wrong. She said 1. The answer is 2, Lux. 3 minus 1 is 2.
I heard that.
All right, so my answer is 242. Is it reasonable?
Yeah.
Plus 2 is 6. 2 plus 1 is 3. Definitely a reasonable answer.
Yeah, because 1 plus 1 it does not equal 3.
Right.
2.
Right? Okay, so sometimes we're going to be missing numbers in an addition or a subtraction problem. Okay, so it says the missing addend in the problem below has 2 digits. We can find the missing addend 1 digit at a time. So we have the number 56 plus what, and we know it's 2 digits, equals 98. Okay, so we have to look and see 6 plus what equals 8?
2.
6 plus 2 equals 8. 5 plus what equals 9?
4.
4. So our missing addend, our missing digits, are 42. Let's check to make sure we're right.
And 8 plus 2.
We would subtract to find out if we're right. So we would take 98 and we would subtract 42.
8, 7, 6.
Yep. Our answer is reasonable. Good. All right. We have a missing addend. 36 plus what equals 87? I'm going to take the W out of here.
Wait, a 1.
I'm going to take that W out of there so that we've got space to add in. So 6 plus what is 7?
1.
1. 3 plus what is 8?
5.
Good. And then we can check our answer. 87 minus 51?
Equals 36.
Yep, we are correct. Good. All right, this time we're going to have a missing addend at the beginning. What plus, oh, that's a terrible 17. What plus 17 equals 49? First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to rewrite it so that it's vertical because it's easier for me to do that. So what plus 17 equals 49? I'm going to take that out and put my things in. 7 plus what is 9?
2.
1 plus what is 4?
5. Or no, I was thinking 1 plus 4 is
3.
Okay, and then we can check to see, are we right? 49 minus 32 is 17. All right, lesson practice. A through H, you can do it on a separate piece of paper. You can do it on the back of your power-up. Lux, make sure you have somebody check that for you. And then when you're done, you can go ahead and do the written practice. And that's our lesson for the day.